All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it is time to get the recording on for the iPhone 12 Sopiguard. So shout out to Sopiguard for always hooking these up. Also have several other different ones for different devices, and I appreciate that. We're gonna go ahead and put this one on for now, and we will move our way down the line here. So obviously, in all fashion, you get the skin itself, and with this device, it's a flat device on all around. So sure to hit that up. It's a flat device all the way around, so you can put all the corners on if you wanted to. But I use cases, and I know that if I put these corners on, sometimes if I'm putting it in and out of the case, it'll probably rip the corners off. I'm not sure, but I'll definitely test it, I guess, if you guys want me to at some point. But let's go ahead and clean this off. Be sure to hit the link in the description to grab yours. Sopiguard.com is where I always get skins from. Even before they started sponsoring videos and sending me, they're not paying me or anything, but they are sponsoring these videos by providing the product, and that's good enough for me. It's not always about money. It's about staying in touch and getting you guys informed and getting you the best deal. And that is why I like Sopiguard. They have fast shipping. Those guys over there are amazing. I remember my first order from them. I even hit them up one time. Okay, I needed something. I did something. I broke something, and then it was major too. I broke something. I went in and placed the order real quick and said, hey, can you get this over to me real quick? And he processed my order as fast as he could, and I got it in a couple of days. And it's just awesome that they have service like that. So in all fashion, I always try to start with the camera module when I'm doing these, because it's the one that seems to give the most trouble to people. But this phone being white, I should be able to knock this one down nice and easy. Nope, John. Nope. We're already starting off at a... We're gonna get this done. You guys have OCD when you watch me put on these skins, man. You guys get fired up. Some of you guys know I'm just gonna put it on and have a good time with it. The white and black actually looks really good. Honeycomb everything. You guys already know. I used to like the color shift skins, but man, they didn't have any grip and texture. So I switched over to honeycomb, and the honeycomb is just amazing. I think this color black is really nice up against this white. But more importantly, the honeycomb skin itself, if you need texture and you need something to look good, you need to go ahead and grab this honeycomb. I think you'll be highly impressed with the honeycomb skin. You'll love yourself for it because it is a beautiful, beautiful skin. And you know, the best part about this iPhone is that they made it flat, which for me is great because then, you know, you can pretty much do what you want with the skins. It's gonna, I'm just kind of pushing that to the center. You can heat this up too. Well, I'm pushing to the outside there. You can heat these up to get any bubbles out that that may annoy you. Some of you guys always say, oh, those bubbles are gonna annoy me. Not so much me. I'm just kind of just rolling with it. I like it because I think this skin is so beautiful. It's like a snake skin, but it is honeycomb everything. Beautiful. It actually looks really good with the white, the silver, I should say. So again, be sure to grab yours at Sopiguard.com. Obviously, there's a link in the description, but if for some reason sometimes I forget to put links in, Sopiguard.com is where you need to be getting your skins from. Nothing against anybody else. It's just this is personal experience for me. I remember when I first switched over permanently to Sopiguard. I don't think they knew who I was at that point, but I think someone sent them a video that I did saying why I'm not using anyone but them anymore. I was only purchasing from them, and that did it. So from there, I appreciate Sopiguard and I appreciate your support. This is just beautiful. This is a beautiful honeycomb skins just look great. And more importantly, they give grip. So if you don't want to put a case on your device, you for sure can use a honeycomb skin and from Sopiguard, and I think you'll be really happy. So you do get all the sides here. So I'll make my attempt at this. It's going to be on this side here. And this will it will not cover up the, I'm totally, hey, you know what? Sopiguard has never called me and said, hey, Jay, we didn't like how you did that. So this for sure is not going to cover up your power button, obviously. But some of you guys, I'm laughing because a lot of you guys get so worked up when I put these skins on. I just think it's hilarious, man. You guys say, oh, you're not following instructions. I tend to do this freestyle like this because I think a lot of people in the real world might put their skins on like this. Some of you guys are just way too technical, I would say. You know, you're just way too serious and, you know, But I understand if you spend a lot of money on your skin, you want it to look perfect. But unfortunately, nothing is perfect. But I think I did okay with that. I think I did okay with that skin. So let's go down the other side. This will be the tough side because it's got all the openings. But it's not going to be tough. We're going to do this. We're going to knock this out, son. We're going to get this going. You ever notice when people are trying to get something real serious done, you get quiet? Like when you get lost in the car and you just turn the radio down. And what you know about that? What y'all know about turning the radio down when you get lost? Now this part for the SIM tray actually pops out. So the SIM tray will be exposed. But I'm just leaving it on for now. So I think I'm doing okay. I think I'm doing okay, son. I think I'm doing all right. It's looking pretty dope. Let's go to the bottom. We go to the bottom. This one's going to go all the way around like this. So I like the little space. I think it's really nice. Let me see something here. Got to get real close on here. Yeah. That's looking pretty good. It has all the cutouts. Oh, I did it. Oh, yeah. That is good. I'm right on. Line that thing up just right. I don't have my glasses on. That's what I need. I need to put my glasses on when I'm doing this. Anybody getting real shaky and nervous? Come on, Jay. You getting it? You rooting for me? Oh, that's what I could do it like this. Oh, I had that side down. I think a lot of people put their skins on like this. You know, some of you guys think because I'm a YouTuber, I'm supposed to be perfect. Well, newsflash, I'm totally flawed. I'm flawed like the next person. I'm not perfect. And so I tend to give like real world stuff. You know, when I'm doing things, I'll sit here and do stuff and say, hey, this is what it is. So, boom, got that side. Come on now. Let's get this last side on the top and we should be good. Heat this up with a blow dryer and then that'll definitely help you to keep it on. Like I said, I don't know. I normally pop mine in and out of cases. And so that's why I was like, I probably shouldn't use this. But like the edges or whatever. But hey, look at this. I think that's pretty doggone good. I think I did good, son. Come on. Even without my glasses, I couldn't even, I didn't even have my glasses on, son. This looks really good. Now imagine how it would look with the black or some other color. Black goes with everything, you know what I'm saying? So this is pretty fire, folks. The honeycomb joint is really, really nice. Yeah. So shout out to the Z Fold 2 crew. This video is in 5.4 just for you. Bars. Sopiguard.com is where you need to get yours at. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.